Hey, welcome back to WebPhame. Today is the second video in our Photoshop playlist for absolute beginners. In the last video, we learned about the text and some other properties. If you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and watch that video. So let's just start by shapes in Photoshop. Click on this, and when it is clicked, now the second thing is click and drag your mouse to make a shape like this. So however you like it. If you want the perfect circle, hold the shift button. As I press the shift button, it changed to a perfect circle, as you can see here, and released it. So now we are here. As you can see here, its color, its background color is blue, and its stroke, the border lines, as you can see, there is no border line in this shape. We can create that and increase its size. So this is a plain border. You can make it dotted, you can make it dashed border, or the dotted one, as you can see here. So here we are. So now you can do this while the properties tab is opened here. If the property tab is not opened in your Photoshop, simply just go ahead property tab. So the properties is already checked because it's here, it's checked, it's available. Let's move on to another shapes. While its default value is ellipse tool, you can change it by right click on it, and there you have some other shapes here. So there you have some other shapes here like rounded rectangle, rectangle tool, polygon tool, line tool, and you have shape tool. So let's just start by this rectangle tool. So right now I have my mouse click and I'm dragging on the screen. If you press shift while holding the mouse button and shift button together, you have made a perfect rectangle, square, sorry. Okay, you can change its colors. There are other options for you to pick a color here. Okay, so we've got this one. Let's bring another shape onto the canvas. I'm gonna click on all. So when you only click and drag these shapes, it creates this crazy style. You can make this correct by pressing the shift button. Now let's learn about the layers. So layers in Photoshop are basically like these books right here. So as you can see here, this corporate startup book. Let's assume this is our layer, and the second layer is this book right here, and the third layer is this shape right here. So I hope you would have understood about the layers. So now let's talk about this layer. This layer is a solid white color that we're using this as a background. If you don't see the layers tab in your Photoshop, go ahead, click on Windows and select the layers. You can also use the shortcut F7 button here. So mine is already there. Now about layers, you can rename each layer. When you double click on this, you can rename this. For example, 3, 2, 1. I know these things are really basics here, but I want you to follow me from the basics to advanced level. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.